What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about the limits for the free plan in the Brevo. So for that, process is very simple. Make sure you follow the video till the end to know about it. So first thing first, you will see the link in the description below for the Brevo. Just click it up and you will be redirected to the dashboard just like this. So if you're on the dashboard, you will see plenty of stuff, but right now we are talking about the limits about the free plan. So free plan does come with a limit of 20,000, 2,000 contact limit and 300 per day limit of sending email campaigns. Although you will only be able to use it as a single user, but you'll still get AI features of Aura, customer support for the emails, and the reporting analytics for the basic emails. It's not going to be statistical analytics, but it's going to be very basic one. There is no sub account option, there is no available sales packages, although you have to buy a pro plan, professional plan in order to use it for the landing pages, otherwise you won't be able to do so. Although we be having for the email marketing side, we be having mobile optimization, email templates, drag and drop email editor, no A/B testing, no remove branding. Although we can get the AI content generated dynamic content, but we cannot get AI sending time optimization, content feeds, email frequency management, reusable content, and all that features. So for the multi-channel marketing, we get SMS campaigns, no landing page, no pop-ups, no push notifications, no mobile push notification, no WhatsApp campaigns, no Brevo wallet. For the marketing automation, we get 2,000 client contact, full stop, but we can get the real-time event triggers, multi-entry points, multi-branch testing. We do not get that pathway reporting. And for the commerce side, we can connect e-commerce integrations, abundant cart recovery, but we don't have any further features in it. So for the audience, we can add contact limit up to 100K contacts, custom sign-up forms, uh, contact timelines, advanced segmentations, unlimited custom fields, web and event tracking, identity resolutions for email and mobile, all the stuff, but nothing else than that. We can get GDPR or complies multi-level data models, unlimited companies, but we don't get anything else. So that's pretty much it for the beginners, and I hope you find this video helpful. Take care.